Hi there, students. Inexorable, an adjective. Inexorably, the adverb. If something is inexorable, it's impossible to stop. It's impossible to prevent. It is relentless. You can't persuade it to stop. The inexorable advance of technology. The laws of nature are inexorable. The seemingly inexorable spread of COVID. So it seems impossible to prevent it, impossible to stop. Now, if we look at inexorable a little bit more deeply, the real meaning is impossible to persuade something to stop. Yeah? Inexorable, the X bit comes from the verb to exhort. I beg you, please, please, to plead. So, inexorable, impossible to stop by begging and pleading. It won't stop, it won't listen to reason. So, the tide comes up and up and up, inexorably. You can beg it to stop all you want, but it's not going to stop. You could use inexorable like this with a person. He inexorably sacked all of the weaker members of staff. Okay? So you could beg him as much as you want, you could plead, but he wasn't going to change his mind. The teacher inexorably continued to beat the boy, although the boy begged him to stop. So, inexorable, we normally use this for the advance of bad things. I think nearly always, but maybe you could use it in a positive sense, but I think it's very unusual. Maybe the inexorable rise of the Green Party, the inexorable rise of ecological awareness. That might be positive. Okay, the inexorable increase in employment is impossible to stop. The inexorable rise in global temperatures. So, relentless, unstoppable, unavoidable, inescapable, inevitable, or intransigent, unbending, unyielding, unswerving, going straight forward. The inexorable crawl of rush hour traffic in the cities. So if you call a person inexorable, they will not change their opinion even when they've shown to be wrong. Yeah, they are inexorable, or maybe obdurate as well. There seems to be an inexorable rise of nationalism in Europe. It seems to be impossible to prevent or to persuade it to stop. Okay, so if something is inexorable, you can ask it all you want to stop, but it's not going to. So therefore, unstoppable. Now, next question, formality. Probably 7 to 8 in formality. Something of medium or very formal, of a very formal nature. It sounds quite literary as well, this word inexorable. I think informally in the pub, unstoppable, inevitable, something like that. Okay, this word inexorable comes from Latin, inexorabilis, in, not, and exorare, to exhort, to beg, to entreat. So, not beggable, impossible to beg to stop. So yes, change in this world is inexorable. Yeah, the inexorable nature of entropy. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Inexorable.